Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Here I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program. Later we'll execute that program and we'll see how that program works. So for now you need to pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. Alright, I hope now you have your answer. So we'll execute this program. So this is the output of this program. If you got the same answer, then you know the logic of this program. If not, I'll explain you the program now. So here we are taking a list, okay, list 1. It contains 3 elements, that is 1, 2, 3. Next here we can see we are using the list comprehension method to create another list. So the new list name is list 2. Next here we can say I for I in list 1, but here we can see list of list 1. For I in range 4. So here this expression will return a new list. We'll get nested list from this. Next we need to apply this for loop on that for I in range 4. So it will print this 4 times. And this list comprehension method will give you a list, so we'll get list from that. So that's why we got the output like this. Here we use list of list 1, that's why we got the output like this. If we remove this, if I execute this, the answer will be different. Here we can see we'll get 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This answer and this answer is different. Here from this we'll get I for I in list 1. So list 1 is nothing but 1 2 3. So we'll get 1 2 3. I as 1 first, I as 2 first, I as 3 first. So that will be a list. Next it will execute for I in range 4. So it will print this 4 times. And this list comprehension method gives a list, so we'll get like this as output. So this is about this program. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.